Planning a trip to Zanzibar can feel overwhelming, yet it transforms into an unforgettable adventure with thoughtful preparation. First and foremost, pinpoint your travel dates and budget, forming the essential backbone for your journey. This clarity helps streamline choices, from flights to accommodations. As you dive into researching flight options, prioritize early bookings. This often leads to the best deals and greater choice. When selecting a place to stay, consider what enhancements your trip, whether it's the ambience of a charming boutique hotel or the lively energy of a beach resort. As you finalize travel arrangements, shift your focus toward must-visit destinations that resonate with your interests. Start with the captivating streets of Stone Town, where each corner tells a story infused with diverse cultural influences. Allow yourself to get lost in its maze-like alleys, discovering local crafts and bustling markets filled with vibrant colors. After soaking in the history, make sure to reserve ample time for relaxation along the picturesque beaches of Nungwi and Kendwa. Here, you can unwind on soft sands and delight in the gentle lapping of the Indian Ocean. Next, prepare for exhilarating marine adventures that await you. A trip to Zanzibar wouldn't be complete without a memorable snorkeling or diving experience at Mnemba Atoll. Imagine gliding through crystal-clear waters, surrounded by vibrant coral reefs and schools of colorful fish. This underwater paradise provides an exhilarating opportunity to connect with the rich biodiversity of the area. As you immerse yourself in this aquatic wonderland, capturing the beauty with your camera will create lasting memories to cherish. Following your thrilling marine escapades, venture back to shore, ready to indulge your culinary curiosity. Zanzibar's local cuisine is a tantalizing reflection of its rich cultural tapestry, offering an array of flavors waiting to be discovered. Ensure you make a list of must-try dishes, like the delightful seafood rice and fragrant spiced tea. Both showcase the island's unique blend of flavors and ingredients. Additionally, consider exploring local restaurants and markets for an authentic dining experience that speaks to Zanzibar's vibrant culture. Each meal will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also enrich your overall journey, weaving together the island's history and traditions through its culinary offerings. To complement your culinary adventure, it's crucial to establish a realistic budget based on your planned activities. Begin by accounting for expenses related to airfare, accommodations, daily meals, and thrilling excursions. This way, you ensure you're financially prepared for the experiences that await you. Engage with travel forums or platforms to understand current price trends, as this insight allows you to allocate your resources intelligently while still leaving room for adjustments. By maintaining a flexible budget, you can embrace spontaneity, exploring hidden gems and local favorites that may not have been on your original radar. Ultimately, striking a balance between planned and unexpected adventures will enhance your journey in this beautiful island paradise. As your itinerary takes shape, remember to incorporate downtime for spontaneous exploration. The beauty of Zanzibar lies not just in its defined attractions, but in the serendipitous discoveries waiting to be made, whether it's stumbling upon a hillside viewpoint or a quaint market bustling with artisans. Additionally, this flexibility allows you to respond to the island's rhythms, creating a trip that's uniquely yours. As your travels approach, ensure that your itinerary reflects both excitement and the freedom to wander. With decisions made about where to stay, what to see, and what to taste, prepare to embrace every moment that comes with the experience. Zanzibar, with its captivating culture and breathtaking landscapes, offers endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation alike. Enjoy each aspect, from the sun-drenched beaches to the warm hospitality of the locals, as you create memories that will last a lifetime. Happy travels await you on this vibrant island. As your travel date approaches, make sure to double-check all your reservations and travel essentials. Compile your itinerary in a format that's easy to access, whether on your phone or a printed copy. Include key details like flight times, accommodation addresses, and any pre-booked activities. This preparation ensures that you can seamlessly transition from one exciting experience to the next without unnecessary stress. Don't hesitate to share your itinerary with someone at home. This additional measure enhances safety and keeps loved ones informed of your adventures. With your well-structured itinerary in hand, you're poised to explore Zanzibar's magic fully. Embrace the vibrant cultures, stunning landscapes, and delectable cuisines that make the island an unforgettable destination. Every moment will serve as a reminder of the adventures that await, creating cherished memories to revisit for years to come.